So what?
Looks like a museum or something.
Yeah. Welcome to Bali.
Yes. Yes. So we're in Bali.
Yeah, we're in Bali.
Do you notice the energy a little bit weird for me? They lost my bag.
Yeah, Tina got her bag left in Manila, I think.
So I had a carry-on bag that was perfectly safe in my own hands, and they made me check it and charged me $54, and then they lost it. And it has absolutely all of my clothes in that bag, except for what I'm wearing and the shorts I have underneath the pants. Why did I wear shorts today? I guess for that reason. But yeah, I think that's our driver, maybe. And we have to go around. But I am
Yeah, it sucks.
struggling a little bit and really trying to stay optimistic, because I mean, it's all of my clothes.
She'll get it back.
I like my clothes.
She'll get it back. We just gotta buy a tourist outfit for the day.
A tourist outfit for the day, and then
Get us some elephant pants and a t-shirt. It should be alright for the day.
what are you gonna do? I'm still in gratitude. This is a beautiful airport.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So gorgeous.
Nice.
Yeah.
It's nothing but.
So I'll fix my face because we're in Bali. And it's been a dream of mine to come here for a very, very, very long time. So I'm just gonna turn my frown upside down and be very hopeful.
Go. I got a car.
We have somebody. Thank you. Is that the Terry? Let me see. Is that?
Yeah.
Wait, let me see. Look who he's got here for us. That's us. Okay, that's our guy. That's perfect.
Where's that from?
That's from my WhatsApp.
Oh, okay.
That's my WhatsApp picture.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. So here we are.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm just noticing all the local traditions. I'm noticing like a woman across the street putting offerings on the sidewalk. Looks so beautiful. Like really, I just love watching how other cultures practice honoring God. It was really beautiful.
Pretty cool. Yep. So we're here in Bali, getting our phones situated. It's like out here. He's helping us here.
We're getting our phones for 1 month because we will be here for 1 whole month.
Yeah.
And I still don't have any clothes, but
Yeah, we'll figure that out. we'll figure it out.
You caught me with my glasses on.
Yes.
I ripped my contact lens out on the plane because it was drying out. It's stuck in my eye.
Oh
I
no.
need to take it out.
Yes.
This is done. Oh, good. Thank you. Suksuma. This is our guest house. We're staying in a homestay. And these little stairs going up. Beautiful. Oh, wow. is lovely. Wow. Hi. My husband. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Hi, pretty birdie. Hi, hello. Hello, hi. Hi, hello. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Wow. This is us. Thank you so much. There's the pool. We're number 1. This is beautiful. Wow. Originally I wanted that room, but it was only a fan. But that had that whole balcony up there.
Right. It's a durian tree.
This is durian.
Yeah, durian tree. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Not durian now.
Wow.
That's not in season.
I think this is where our kitchen is. Yeah. It's a little shared kitchen. Little shared kitchen. And this is the swimming pool. Shared pool. Some other rooms. God, you motherfucker. If you would have. You motherfucker. How I even turned around to look. I was just like, da-da-da. And I'm like, what?
Good morning from Bali. We're about to go have our breakfast. Carmen made breakfast this morning, and we're walking out of our let me see. It's our little place. We walk out. Great little pool area here. They do these blessings every morning. Everywhere you go, you see these blessings. And then, there's my wife.
Oh, I made us a little breakfast.
Made us a little breakfast here.
Yes.
Yes. Oh yeah. How you feel, baby?
Huh?
How you feeling?
I feel good. And Eka just came and brought us some fruit.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and I had cut up a pear that we had that we bought yesterday for our breakfast.
All right.
You brought a guest.
Yes. Thank you, baby, for the breakfast.
You're so welcome, my love. There's just potatoes, eggs, and there's a pear and some toast. And then these are our little vitamin C orange drinks that I bought us yesterday.
Yes. You need all the vitamin C.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome, honey.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So where are we at?
We are in Ubud, Bali.
We have been here since Tuesday, right? It is now Saturday.
It's now
We
Saturday.
haven't filmed anything.
We've just needed some time to rest. We really have.
Sure did. So we've been here resting, letting our bodies heal and our minds reboot,
Yeah.
and just taking it all in. And I think that's what Bali does to you. It makes you relax and chill.
Totally. When we got here, I wasn't feeling too well. I had some swelling in my legs. I was feeling really not good. And I saw an acupuncturist over in the village that we're staying in. And then I also saw a naturopath 2 days later who is getting my body on the right path. And I think this is just what Bali is and does. It's just a healing place where, we've just been, what is it? Decompressing.
Yeah.
We've been decompressing.
Yeah. We're here for another 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks here, really. So we'll get some footage and we'll show you around our village. We'll show you around where we're staying.
I love that you said that, our village. Our village is so huge.
We're a very cool village. I mean, this place is, I was trying not to jump the gun, it's our favorite place, but it's feeling like it's already our favorite place.
It's feeling like it's our favorite place ever.
Yeah, it's very awesome.
We love Bali.
Yeah. So right now we're at the town center.
We're in Ubud Center, and we're at Ubud Market.
We're at Ubud Market.
Yeah.
We're taking stuff back. We've been here long enough that we bought it and we can take it back.
Yeah.
So we're taking stuff back. But we'll
To
show you around the
exchange.
market. Yeah, we'll show you the market and stuff. It's a typical market, but it's pretty big and pretty decent prices too. So.
Yeah, and it's totally our style. Like everything that we own back home or that even we bought in Mexico was made in Indonesia. So everything, even stuff that I bought years ago, this is our place. It's just our style, our vibe, our energy. We just love it here.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So we're gonna shop a little and we'll take you along.
Yep. Bye guys.
Bye.
Ooh, thank you.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Well,
Happy
Maybe
Bali.
more spicy, this spicy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And the vegetables are here. Yeah. They didn't have the crispy pork skin, so they gave the almost like chicharron, but it's not what they're known for. So
All that means is,
we have to.
all that means is we got no back.
Yes,
Not a problem.
not a problem at all. I think I expected it to be a little more fatty, maybe.
Well,
I'm gonna try this. Okay, like that. I don't know. It's like a fried meat. Maybe like a little fried pork or something. And then I expected vegetables, but I just have a piece of potato.
Right.
So I don't. In the picture, it looked different. So, but it's good.
Not bad.
Right?
Yeah, it's not.
Not like amazing.
It's off, but it's
Right.
not the same thing as bad either.
Yeah, I think the pork skin would have taken it over the top.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to come back this time.
We'll come back.
We'll definitely come back.
Hey guys,
Hey guys.
we just finished our dinner.
We had Bobby Guling at Ibu Oka number 3.
Yeah, it's just okay.
It was just okay.
Yeah, we've heard people raving about it, and yeah, it wasn't our groove then.
Now, mind you, they were out of the pork skin, and that's probably the highlight of that dish.
Yeah,
So we can't give it a 1,000,000% proper, fair rating.
true.
But the meat, I guess we were expecting the pork to be more succulent or juicy, and it wasn't at all.
No.
And so it was just like white meat, lean kind of pork meat on top of white rice. And it said it came with vegetables, but we just got a potato that was like boiled and it was very
watery.
Filled with water
Yeah,
and no flavor.
we didn't get their best their best punch. Yeah.
We don't think they're at the top of their game today.
No.
I think maybe we caught them on an off day. Maybe.
It is a Saturday evening. You would think.
Yeah, I don't know.
But
They did have like the thing that I liked the best on the dish was they had this little fried meat. It's called fried meat on there. So I don't know exactly what it was.
Right.
And that had some like flavor. It was good.
Yeah, it's cool.
But it wasn't bad, but I'd give it a 5.
I'll give it a 5. But hopefully we'll go back and see if they can redeem themselves.
Yeah. But everything else we've had so far in Bali, especially in our little village, I love our little village.
Yeah.
Everything's been so good and healthy, and they cook it fresh, and everything's so pretty. I think today was the least pretty dish we've had,
Yeah, for sure.
which is very interesting. And this is the first one we've shown you, which sucks. But we've been really enjoying some really pretty meals and drinks, and everything's been beautiful that we've eaten.
Everything we've had, we're going to go back and we're going to take more.
Yeah.
We'll see it eventually.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we're going to finish doing some shopping, and we'll catch up. See you later. Bye.